RecurMe Commissions. Erica Stone's recurring product commissions, RecurMe Commissions. RecurMe Commissions, tired of low, single-digit affiliate commissions? This simple strategy shows you how to target higher-ticket, recurring products and drive targeted traffic to them without a website, a list, or paid traffic. Beginner-friendly and includes step-by-step instructions, step-by-step strategy for promoting recurring commission products as an affiliate. Without a website, without writing lengthy website posts, without an email list, and without buying traffic. One of the most profitable products affiliates can promote are those that pay recurring commission. Recurring commissions are those that are paid to you more than once. Suppose a keyword research tool that requires a monthly fee has an affiliate program that pays affiliates 50% of the monthly fee for all sales they generate. You wouldn't get just one commission check, you'd get a commission check for every month the customer paid his monthly fee. Make one sale, get a check every month. If these products also happen to have a high price and a high commission rate, then one sale alone could bring in $50 or more every month. Just 10 sales and you've more than paid your car payment, utility bills, or acquired some extra spending cash for months at a time. Some of these products even have lifetime commissions, meaning you get a share of every dollar a customer spends for that seller for as long as the customer is still buying from the seller. RecurMe Commissions. Gurus with big email lists promote these kinds of products all the time, but what if you don't have an email list, the time to build one, or an authority website? Thanks to social media sites, you don't need those things in order to be successful. Erica Stone's new strategy will show you how to use Instagram to drive targeted traffic to exactly these kinds of products. RecurMe Commissions. Erica Stone's recurring product commissions, RecurMe Commissions.